per 100 feet on 2 meters. With RG58, your loss is 5.5 dB. RG8X, your loss is 4.5 dB. RG213, your loss is 2.7 dB. LMR 240, 3.2 dB. And finally, LMR 400, your loss is 1.5 dB. So that's your clear winner right there. LMR 400, lowest loss equals more signal where it matters. Here's round 2, flexibility. Sure, LMR 400 is efficient, but it's like wrestling a garden hose. If you're running coax in tight spots or through vehicle door seals, flexibility matters. Most flexible is RG58 and RG8X. The least flexible is LMR 400. The most balanced in between flexibility and in the flexibility is LMR 240. The winner would be RG8X for portable ops. So if you're using this on a POTA install or something like that, RG8X is the way to go. For mobile installs, try LMR 200. I think that will work out really nicely for you in a mobile install. For your home install, probably LMR 400. Let's talk about cost in round 3. Round 3, here we go.